Welcome to Winning the Rig Game. As always, this is not investing advice. This is just a way to share my ideas and thoughts about the market. If I can ask everybody to like, hit the bell, subscribe, leave a comment. It would really help me with the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to grow the channel. Thank you. This week makes me think about the movie Dr. Dolittle with the push me, pull you. It's a little push me, pull you in the market. Good and bad news. This has been a little bit of a tough week. Tesla's stock is pretty low. It's sort of ridiculous at this point. It even hit down to 177. God. So what's going on? Elon bought Twitter, and now he needs money. He's using Tesla stock as a piggy bank. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do. He sold at the time of recording, we know, about 20 million shares, between 18 and 20 million shares. And this has put an extraordinary amount of pressure on the stock price, driving it down. The market did get some good news. The CPI numbers were better than expected. So what's going on with the Fed? Well, it's sort of crazy. The Fed is worried about inflation. Understandably, nobody wants inflation. But the tools that they're using are backwards looking. Another problem that they're trying to solve is wage inflation. How are they doing that? Well, they're crashing the economy. Basically, they're trying to solve a demographic problem with monetary policy. It's nuts, but it is what it is. We're sort of stuck with it. So Mike Jones' YouTube channel pointed this out. He was one of the first ones. And then I think Dave Lee also mentioned it. And I've had some time to think about it, and it's absolutely correct. The baby boomers are retiring at a massive amount. That was a huge population. And there's just not enough workers from Gen X and Gen Y and whatever followed after that to fill those positions. So as a result, there's more jobs than there are workers, especially at high-paying positions. So the Fed is using monetary policy to crash the market and basically force unemployment and get companies to reduce their staffing. It's working. Is this the best solution? Probably not. But again, doesn't matter whether we like it or agree with it. This is sort of what's happening. So it's a tough situation. Elon selling, we think, might be done. We'll have to see. Those are sort of the pluses and minuses of the market right now. Every company seems to be laying off workers. So I guess mission accomplished. Good job, Fed. More people are unemployed. Congratulations. Hopefully those people will be able to find jobs relatively easy because the market's still strong enough where there are still sufficient jobs out there. What's going on with Tesla? I think because he's selling, he has to wait. Hopefully, once he's done selling or has a relatively good idea of when he's going to be done selling, that's when he and the board can get together and decide to do a stock buyback. It makes a lot of sense to do the buyback at these prices and not wait until 2023. So hopefully we'll get an all clear from Elon and then the board can announce a buyback. With that, it would be a huge catalyst to get the stock moving in the right direction. Tesla did a stock offering in 2019, 2020. I think they did a couple and they raised about $10 billion. Well, Elon and the board could buy back those shares. The company's in a much stronger position and it makes a lot of sense. So let's see what happens. The bottom line is Tesla's fundamentals are incredibly strong right now. If you're buying stocks, this is fantastic. Just keep doing what you're doing. I wish I could buy more. I'm going to end up with a few net positive more shares because of a put. And I'm very happy to get those shares. I do not care about the stock price right now. I really care more about acquiring shares. I'll look at the stock price a year from now, 2 years from now. Q4 is coming up. December 1st, I think we're getting a semi-event. We're supposed to get Master Plan 3. Maybe we'll get another battery day. We're supposed to get factory announcements. Who knows? We might even get a preview of the Tesla van or Model 2. The bottom line is we're going to have huge catalysts in Q4. Tesla's also going to be rolling out full self-driving on a massive scale. Everyone that bought full self-driving will be getting it. At that point, I think Tesla will be able to justify using those profits that are sitting on the books. They'll be able to basically apply those towards the fourth quarter gains. Q4 should be excellent. Q1 should be excellent. It looks like China's starting to reduce some of their COVID policies just a little bit, hopefully a little more, little by little, and the company's set up for great things in 2023. So everybody just stay strong, hang in there. I'm trying to stay positive. It's not always easy. I'm doing this because some of the YouTubers were a great source of inspiration and helped me hang on to my Tesla shares in 2019. So hopefully this will be able to help somebody else. 2023 should be a lot better. The fundamentals for Tesla are strong. Good luck to everyone. Thank you again for watching.